In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube subscribers. So first, we need to go to the website named Rapid Boost Net. You can find the website link in the pinned comment below the video. Once we access the website, we select the menu at the top and look for YouTube subscribers. On the second page, we can pick the number of subscribers we want. For this video, I will select 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Next, we need to input the YouTube channel link. So let's return to the YouTube app. And when we are on the channel, we click on 3 dots at the top of the screen, and then Share and Copy Link. After we have the link, we can insert the link on the website. On the final page, we need to provide some billing details like first name, last name, and email address. And now let's hit the Place Order button. Alright, I will now complete the payment for this order and meet you guys in 5 minutes. And as you can see, I got 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.